Welcome back to the garden. Today we're out by the compost pile where I want to discuss my dry indoor compost bin. Beyond our food scraps, I also keep a dry bin next to my trash can, and anything that would go in the trash that's compostable, I throw in there. So this is stuff like lint from the vacuum, which is basically just hair and dust. You want to pick out any like polyester pieces of carpet, but this is pretty much just 100% hair and dust ready to compost. You can compost your dryer lint. It's the same stuff basically, dust, little pieces of cotton. But this is 100% ready for the compost bin, and it'll break down really quickly. Any tissues, pieces of paper, that sort of stuff, that's all good to go. And I just got a haircut, and I've saved all the hair. It's not very beautiful, but this is all really nice, fine material that'll be broken down, and it's 100% compostable. Pretty much anything from your body is ready to go, like fingernail clippings, all that stuff. You could even urine on your compost pile. I'll spare you the visual there. But this is all going to go on the pile. I've got some leaves from my indoor plants and stuff. I'm just going to mix that in. We have our little tomatoes sprouting. But at this point, these have only consumed the nutrients from their seeds. They're not yet consuming nutrients from the pile. So as long as you stir your pile, these will just break down and add even more nutrients. So I'm going to mix that in with all the hair and dust from my indoor dry bin. One more thing that you might not think about is if you have a fire pit, you can compost your charcoal and ash. You want to use this sparingly. The charcoal is actually going to absorb some of the bad stuff. They use this in filtering water, so it's kind of a purification. And the ash that's mixed into here, it adds some great potassium. The reason why you don't want to use a lot is because it's a base. Ashes are quite a strong base, which is like the opposite of an acid. And most plants are acid loving. They kind of like that mild acidic soil. So you do want to use it sparingly for that reason. But if you're worried about that, you could add a cup of vinegar diluted with water and just mix that in, and that'll neutralize the base and actually add some acidity back. So I'm going to add some punky wood to this and some of our leaves. Next time I have food scraps, this will just go on the pile. So remember, you've got dryer lint, you've got vacuum leftovers, any sort of hair, paper towels, tissues. So instead of wasting it and throwing it in the garbage, you can save it and throw it on your compost pile for free fertilizer. So I hope this has given you a cool idea on how to save stuff for free fertilizer. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.